Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off preview in Netflix. So turning off autoplay preview on Netflix is very easy. So I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide on how to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to Netflix, sign in to your account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Now scroll down to the profile and parental control section and click on the profile you want to change. Now click on change next to playback settings. Once you do that, uncheck the box for autoplay preview while browsing on all devices. Now click save to apply changes. Now once you do this, your settings will be updated immediately and autoplay preview will be disabled for your profile. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.